Hello, everyone. Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you Bruin Cloud. We're going to go over the registration process, how to connect your repo, set up your connections, and deploy your pipelines. Bruin Cloud is powered by the same open source CLI tool that you've been using to develop your pipelines, orchestrate everything, and monitor your executions. Bruin Cloud is a fully managed infrastructure for your data pipelines where all the ingestions, transformations, quality checks, everything lives in the same place. You can check the lineage, all your metadata, all the data governance as well. There's AI-powered features such as generating your metadata automatically or speaking with an AI agent where you can analyze your data, ask about data pipelines, or talk about your metadata. All right, so let's get started. Basically, when you get into the first page, go ahead and fill out your information here. Give it your name, your email address, and set a strong password. You will receive a verification email, so go ahead and click the link that you received in your email. All right, now you have the option of joining an existing team or creating a new organization. So let's go ahead and create a new organization here. You can give your organization name anything that you want. So let's go ahead and give it a name. All right, so you will have the option to choose between if you want to connect directly with GitHub or provide a personal access token. Because I've connected my GitHub before, I'm going to just go ahead and use a personal access token. And next thing, you need to give it your GitHub repo link. And again, this would be much easier if you directly connect to your GitHub and you can, from the dropdown, select your repo. All right, so now that it's created our workspace, we can go ahead and add our connections. So these connections are essentially the same connections and secrets that you set up locally in your Bruin YAML file. Here, you just want to go ahead and set them up again. All right, in order to set up a connection, and this is fully secure, you can read our documentation about how we keep your secrets secret. You can go ahead and select the connection type. In my case, I'm using Mother Duck for my data warehouse. You might be using BigQuery, Redshift, or another thing. So go ahead and select your connection type, give it the connection name that you use locally as well. And in my case, I need to give it the service token. So I'm setting that up and I have an optional database name, which I will provide here. And it will be validated and tested behind the scenes as well. If you select without validation, it won't test the connection. So if we go to the dashboard page, we will be greeted with a few instructions. Let's navigate to our pipelines page where you will be able to find the list of pipelines from your repository. And I have this one pipeline. It's still waiting to initialize the pipeline. This will take some time for Bruin to validate every asset and make sure that the lineage and the connections work. All right, so now our pipeline is ready. We can go ahead and enable that pipeline. And something to note is that when you enable your pipeline, if there's a schedule for your pipeline, it will automatically create a new run that will be processing the last interval. So in our case, our pipeline is monthly. So as you see, the interval will also be monthly as well. All right, now our pipeline has ran and all the assets have been successful. Our quality checks have passed. All right, so that's an overview of Bruin Cloud. Feel free to reach out to us in our Slack community if you have any questions, feature requests, or you can go ahead on our GitHub and submit issues as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time.